I'm Dr. Blake Schusterman. I'm a board-certified kidney doctor and I'm also the cooking doc. And each week we try to cover one topic to keep you informed and something that you can use every day to better your health. This is a real common one. What if my blood pressure goes up every time I want to check my blood pressure because I get anxious? You want to have a relaxation routine of 5 to 10 minutes of deep breathing before checking your blood pressure. Okay, the last question, this is one that I get all the time. Should I take my blood pressure only when I think that it's high, like when I have a headache? Okay, well this one's a little more complicated because for the most part, high blood pressure does not cause headaches. Now there are times where the blood pressure gets super high, something called a hypertensive urgency or emergency, or when you're having a bleed in your brain, real serious conditions where you get a headache and high blood pressure. But for a lot of people, the high blood pressure comes because you have a headache, because pain makes your blood pressure go up. I hope you learned something. High blood pressure affects millions and millions of people in the United States and all throughout the world. It can lead to cardiovascular disease and stroke. It can be a risk factor for kidney disease. This is the cooking doc, so make sure you're doing everything from a dietary standpoint to help keep that blood pressure down.